Welcome to the best picks. The Best Big Buddy Heater hose is probably one of the most important accessories for your Mr. Heater Big Buddy propane heater, ensuring safe and efficient operation in cold weather. This video will take an in-depth look at this crucial component, examining its features, benefits, and compatibility, helping you make an informed decision before buying and using it safely and effectively, ultimately keeping you warm and cozy during those chilly winter months. Number 5. SHINESTAR Propane Hose Adapter. It connects your small appliance to a 20 pounds propane tank. Say goodbye to constantly buying expensive 1-pound cylinders. This adapter features a durable stainless steel braided hose. It's tough enough to handle daily use and resist damage. It's compatible with a wide variety of appliances. From buddy heaters to grills, it's incredibly versatile. The 5-foot hose gives you the flexibility to position your appliance exactly where you need it. No more struggling with short hoses. It has a standard QCC1 fitting, making it simple to connect to your propane tank and appliance. Setup is quick and easy. Upgrade your propane setup today with this cost-effective and durable solution. Get yours now. What we like. It connects your small appliance to a large propane tank, saving you money on smaller canisters. Its durable design resists damage, extending its lifespan. If you need a versatile solution compatible with many appliances, this is the one for you. What people say. Perfect adapter. Allows me to use my portable grill with a standard propane tank. Easy to attach, secure, and no leaks. Works like a charm. I really like this adapter hose. I got it to use with my propane heater, but works well with the propane camp stove and lantern as well. This works really great for me. I actually have 3 of these 2-on heaters, one with double lines off it that I use on a small grill and a camp stove. I couldn't seem to keep up with the 1-pound tanks. This way I can use larger, 8 gallons, tanks that last most of the summer. Number 4. Mr. Heater Buddy Hose. This 10-foot hose is a game changer for your Mr. Heater Buddy. It eliminates the need for a fuel filter, making setup a breeze. It's built to last. It won't leach oil into the fuel stream, ensuring clean and efficient operation. Both ends tighten securely for a leak-proof connection. Connecting it is simple. It features a POL connection that attaches directly to your propane tank, making it quick and easy to set up. It's designed for portability. It measures approximately 3 by 9 to 7/8 by 11 inches, so it's easy to store and transport. We stand behind our product. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty, giving you confidence in your purchase. This hose is compatible with the Mr. Heater MH9B Portable Buddy and MH18B Big Buddy heaters. It's the perfect accessory for your outdoor heating needs. What we like. This option boasts a longer hose, eliminating the need for extra equipment. Its secure connections prevent leaks and ensure reliable performance. If you value convenience and a hassle-free setup, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The 10-foot length of this hose is just right for giving you the flexibility to position your propane tank at a safe distance from the heater. The hose is well made, with durable materials that feel built to last. The fittings are solid and connect securely to both the heater and the propane tank, giving me confidence that there won't be any leaks or issues during use. One of the great features of this hose is that it doesn't require a filter when used with a bulk tank. This simplifies the setup process and reduces the need for additional parts, making it more convenient and cost-effective. Number 3. Mr. Heater F271803 Hose. This 12-foot propane hose is designed for use with your Mr. Heater Big Buddy heater, providing a safe and reliable connection to your propane tank. It features solid brass fittings for durability and a secure connection. The POL connection works directly with a 20-pound propane tank. The hose material has been rigorously tested to withstand pressures up to 400 psi, ensuring safety and reliability. It includes a built-in regulator that reduces high pressure from larger tanks to a safe low pressure for your heater. The hand wheel allows for easy tightening, and the female connector fits any standard 3/8-inch male SAE fitting. It also features a quick connect fitting for easy attachment. This hose is 12 feet long and comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. It comes with a 12-foot hose and a built-in regulator for safe and efficient use. The solid brass fittings ensure durability and a long-lasting product. If you need a reliable and safe solution with a longer hose and a regulator, this is ideal. What people say. Works well with my new Mr. Heater Big Buddy propane heater and saves time of using refillable or one-time use 1-pound tanks. Quick connect works nicely on heater itself, then regular screw on end for the 20 pounds tank. Both burners run on this, where you need a 1-pound tank on each side for both burners to work with the regular tanks. This is the best option for your Mr. Heater Big Buddy, and I'll tell you why, and I'll give you a useful tip. Useful tip: when you first connect this, and try to fire up your heater, you will be surprised at how long it takes to light your heater. Because it is 12 foot, and because the gas is regulated to a very low pressure at the tank side of the hose, it takes a full 90 seconds for the propane to fill the hose and reach the pilot light. I suggest you connect, open the propane tank, twist your knob and hold it down, prime, for 80 seconds before you even try to light it with a new hose. Pros of this hose: it has a pressure regulator on the hose at the tank side, which is why it costs more, but the regulator offers a consistent 1-2 psi of pressure to your heater. The low pressure is safer in case of propane leakage in the system, hose, heater, element. You are less likely to have leaks with lower pressure. The low pressure means that your hose will not leach the rubber oils that ruin so many people's Big Buddy. You don't need a filter at the heater side because there is no leaching. Powers the heater on full for a long, long time. Has a great, easy to hook up fast connector for the heater. This Mr. Heater hose is a perfect match to my Big Buddy heater. The 12-foot length gives me a safe option to sit a 30 pounds tank outside a window and safely heat in the house for emergency use. With a regulator built into the hose, it outputs low-pressure gas, reducing leaking gas hazards. It hooks up to a separate fitting on the heater by passing the 1-pound regulators and their plumbing in the heater, reducing potential leak points. A couple items to note: the heater side quick connector does not have much room around it, and be sure to pull the locking collar all the way back and firmly seat the to hear a click before letting collar go. Then pull on the fitting to make sure it is locked on. Additionally, since the gas in the hose is low pressure, it will take extra time to get the pilot light to light off, especially after first use on tank hookup. No filter needed, unlike high pressure hoses. Number 2. DOZYANT Propane Hose Regulator. This regulator ensures a safe and efficient connection between your propane tank and heater. It's designed for convenient use with various heaters. It's perfect for Mr. Heater Big Buddy and MH18CH Radiant cabinet heaters. The 3/8-inch female quick connect makes it easy to attach. The built-in gauge lets you monitor your propane level at a glance, preventing unexpected runouts and potential leaks. Use it with larger propane tanks for hours of warmth, saving you money compared to smaller canisters. It's designed for your convenience. A simple hand wheel tightens the connection, and the quick connect system makes it easy to attach and detach. It's a secure and reliable connection. The 12-foot hose provides extra length, allowing you to place the tank conveniently away from your heater, whether indoors or outdoors. What we like. This hose features a built-in tank gauge for easy monitoring and leak detection. Its extra long length provides flexibility in placement. If you prioritize safety and convenience with a long hose and fuel level monitoring, this is for you. What people say. Now I have a longer hose. I don't like LP next to the heater. Hooked up without a leak right the bag. Like the length and components of this, very useful when you need some wiggle room from tank to service unit. Number 1. 12-foot hose assembly regulator. This is our new 12-foot hose assembly and regulator. It's designed for ease of use and long-lasting performance. It's built with high-quality materials, ensuring it can withstand daily use. You can rely on it for years to come. The integrated regulator provides precise pressure control. This makes your work easier and more efficient. The 12-foot length offers excellent reach and flexibility. It's perfect for a variety of applications. It's simple to connect and operate. Anyone can use it with minimal training. You can count on it to deliver consistent, reliable performance every time. It's a smart investment for your needs. What we like. It offers a 12-foot hose and a built-in regulator for easy connection and safe operation. Its simple design makes it user-friendly for everyone. If you want a simple, safe, and long-lasting solution, this is a great option. What people say. The hoses allow for large propane cylinder connection. Well made and works well. Quick adapter makes hookup a breeze and just as easy to disconnect. It sucks trying to get your hand in to tighten up the screw-on type. Long hose and heavy duty. We use this with our propane heater and is a quick and convenient way to connect a large tank to the heater. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.